Good morning. My name is Bisher. I'm a musician from Jordan, and I'm CEO of izif.com. So izif is one word in Arabic that means play music. And we teach people how to play musical instruments through video tutorials that we produce in-house, working with some of the best musicians in the Arab world. And we sell access to our videos in a freemium model. So basically, we're averaging $8,500 in revenue per month. We're making 81% gross margin because we just keep selling access to those videos over and over again with very low cost of sales. We've sold over 4,000 courses so far to 2,500 users around the world. And on top of the 8,500, we're also making $14,000 a month from education. So izif is being used in public schools in Jordan through a model that gets the private sector to sponsor schools to learn music through our platform. So basically, right now, 35% from our revenue comes from online sales, 65% comes from education. But we're flipping the model where we're working on getting 85% from online sales, and that's through launching a brand new izif.com. We're launching in April 2016, an advanced educational experience for our users with very advanced digital features. We're launching the monthly subscription model for the first time because now we have a substantial number of videos that we can start charging people monthly. We're maximizing content not only through our own production, but also through a user-generated content now that we're receiving demand from Arab musicians to teach on our platform and make money through our profit share model. We're going to be reaching more customers, of course. We're working on it every day through online channels, offline channels, and dubbing our videos into various languages. So basically, with $300,000 in booked revenue, we're only raising a bridge round of another $300,000 to invest in marketing, content, technology, and customer service. This is a group of our great investors. So we are basically 7 musicians. We're the first to do this in Arabic. We're the first to do this in English and other languages for Arabic and Oriental instruments. And we are the first to serve this huge and untapped market. Thank you very much.
Are you raising funds?
Yeah, I mentioned we're raising $300,000.
Okay, good job.
Thank you.